Welcome, my sunshines. Hands down, this is the best crispy battered fish. Please continue to watch this video. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. Today I'm going to be making this delicious fried fish. I got 2 nice pieces of codfish. It's beautiful. And I am going to, beautiful pieces of codfish. By the time I cut these pieces up, these are a little thick here, so I'm gonna cut in between there. I'm gonna make enough pieces. This will feed at least good 3 to 4 people for this meal. These pieces are now cut up and all ready to be seasoned. So we made quite a few pieces. Enough to feed at least 3 to 4 people. And then with the coating that we're gonna use for this fish here, it makes it even, you'll see how they're gonna turn out. They're gonna be nice sizes. Okay. The fish is all seasoned now. I just used about a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of complete seasoning. With the onion powder, I'm a little, more generous. Garlic powder, a little more generous. There's no salt in that. And I just used a little sprinkle, a hint of the Old Bay. I try not to use too much salts and seasonings, since I let all the different things that we're going to use in the recipes. I don't try not to let the seasons overpower the dishes, the recipe. Okay, so we're all seasoned, and now we'll go into the next step. We'll get the batter ready, and see you in a little bit. Okay, we have our dry ingredients. I have in this bowl here, I have 1½ cups of flour, a ½ cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric for color, and here I have a cup of flour that we're going to keep on the side. I'll tell you what we're going to do with that. So then we take all of these dry ingredients, and then we just whisk all these dry ingredients. Also add some salt in here too, and whisk these dry ingredients together. Okay, to this dry mixture, we're gonna add 1 can of sparkling water to this. And this water is cold, ice cold. And we're gonna use not a whole package of this Sazon, maybe about 1/4 of this package, very little, because we already have the turmeric in there for color, but I like to add just a little bit more color with this Sazon. So not a whole package, because you don't want it to come out red, red. So just a little bit more, to add just a little bit more color. Okay. This is after you added the sparkling water and a little bit of the Sazon. On this one today, I had to open up another can of sparkling water. I just added just a little bit more till I got to this consistency. Sometimes when I make it, I only use 1 can. Sometimes I have to open up another can. And today I had to open up another can because I like it at this consistency. And this is with the Sazon, with the turmeric's already in here, and I just added a little bit, very little of the Sazon, just to get a beautiful color like that. Now we get ready to fry the fish. We have on the stove, I have a pan with some canola oil in there, all ready. Have it nice and hot, so when you put your fish in, it'll cook right up. And you dip your fish into the flour, shake off the excess flour, and then dip it into here. And shake off the excess and put it into that nice pan with the hot oil. And stay by it because it cooks up really fast. Okay, the dish is ready. It takes, to fry this all up, it took about 15 minutes. And also, I did this on a low to medium heat because I have an electric stove, and my stove, cooks up so fast. You may be able to, maybe you have to, judge your stove, how your stove is. Maybe a medium, but I did mine on just about a low to medium heat, more on the medium side. And it cooks right up. And here's the finished product. Also, I use a rack. I don't use paper towel because you don't want it to get soggy and get soggy. This has a beautiful crust on it. It's nice and crispy. So use a rack and let that drain off. And this is the finished product. Dinner is now served. Fish and chips. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And please join me on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. Thank you.